Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Guys, today we are talking about the famous Mr. Kenneth Mashaba. So there are recent pictures that are currently circulating on social media. Guys, it's really bad for Kenneth Mashaba. I will just call him Kenneth Mashaba, but his real name is Sebutla Sibohodi. We all know him from generations. He used to be huge. He also acted on The River. Like, he is a great actor for what we know. But recent pictures that are circulating on social media are showing a different thing. He looks like he is homeless. He looks like he is homeless at this point. This is the picture, guys. He even looks sick. I really don't know what's happening. But nje, it looks like he is down and out. He looks so down and out. And it's really so sad that each and every actor in South Africa, we already know what it's going to end in tears. Like, why does it always have to be like this? So this was the video that started doing rounds on social media, followed by pictures. Guys, he really doesn't look well. And last time I checked, he was recently married to this young, beautiful girl. He doesn't look married at this point. When I look at him, he really doesn't look married. Guys, look at his feet, and he really does look homeless because look at the bag. So it looks like his clothes are in that bag. Look at his feet are just swollen. Yes, he is old, guys. Like, everyone gets old at some point, but he really doesn't look well. Even the shoes are not in good condition. His feet are just so swollen, guys. Someone zoomed the picture on TikTok. The feet are so swollen. I really don't understand what's happening. What is really happening with the acting industry in South Africa? And I feel like even people that still want to be actors are just going to be afraid now because Sana, this industry is really not for the faint-hearted. It's really not. And also, people in the comment section were arguing, "Good, no, this person is not sick. He is just old. It's okay to get old, but he is not sick." Guys, we are not saying he is sick, but he looks really down and out. Like, I don't know, maybe, I really don't know. I really don't know, but it's really sad to see him like this. This person, we grew up seeing him on our screens. He used to bless us. Like, we just need to put him in our prayers. He is not looking well. And I also don't think he is still married, because why is he walking around with a bag? One thing about these youngings, Sana, they will leave you at your lowest. Once the money runs out, they will leave you. Guys, please leave a comment in the comment section down below.